Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Nvidia app not working on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method on just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services you just need to find Nvidia services. Just need to double click on it one by one and set the startup type to automatic and select apply and start the service. Do the same for all Nvidia services listed over here. After doing it, just close stuff here. Go to search menu and type msconfig. Click on open the system configuration. Go to services tab, checkmark hide all Microsoft services. In this list, make sure all Nvidia services are checked. After that, select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to right click on the Nvidia app and select run as administrator and launch the Nvidia app and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2 you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Just need to expand the display adapter section and right click on where graphics card driver and select uninstall device. Check mark attempted to remove the driver for this device and select uninstall. After uninstalling the driver, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to open up Chrome and search Nvidia driver update and press enter. Select the download the official Nvidia drivers website. In here you just need to scroll down and in this manual driver search you just need to select where graphics card model over here guys. First select GeForce and select where graphics card model, select your operating system, select your language and select the find option. You just need to scroll down, select the view option, scroll down, select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to install it guys. After the installation done, you can open the Nvidia app without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.